Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to integrate ClickUp as your CRM with Klaviyo. So you can automatically sync your contacts from ClickUp into Klaviyo and add them as a new profile into a specific list. This is perfect for managing your leads and running targeted email campaigns and keeping your system synced. Before we jump in, here what you need: a ClickUp account, a Klaviyo account to manage email lists and campaigns, an integration platform like Make.com. You can use Zapier or N18 for this integration, but we will be using this Make.com in this video. Step 2, generating the Klaviyo API key. So let's start by creating the API key in your Klaviyo account. Log into your account, navigate to the settings in the left-hand menu, and click on the API key and then select Create API Key. Give the key a name like a Make API Key. Choose the access level. For this demo, I will select the full access for maximum flexibility. So copy the generated API key and we will make use of it on your Make.com. Setting up the integration in Make.com. Now let's move to Make.com and set up your scenario. Log into your Make.com, go to the scenario session and click Create New Scenario. And you can search for ClickUp module for the first step. So select the module action, list all tasks, which will act as your contact source. Step 4, connecting ClickUp. To connect ClickUp, so you need to have a ClickUp account and follow the prompts to authenticate your ClickUp accounts. To connect ClickUp, click Add a Connection and follow the prompts to authenticate your ClickUp account. Once you are connected, specify the workspace, space, folder name and list name, and then you will get and specify the workspace and list where your contacts or leads are stored, and map the necessary files such as task name, email, phone number, or any custom fields you set up in ClickUp for managing contact information. Now let's add the Klaviyo module. Search for Klaviyo module. So you can search for Klaviyo module in the library and select Create and Add Profile to your list. So click Add Connection and use the API key that you generated earlier to authenticate with Klaviyo. So once you are connected, select the list where you want to add the profile. So in my case, it's my email list. And then from this ClickUp, you can select once you connected, select the list where you want to add the profile. Step 6, mapping data from ClickUp to Klaviyo. Here's what the magic happens. In the Klaviyo module, map the field from ClickUp to Klaviyo's profile properties. Map task name, map first name, last name, organizations, and email address, and ensure all the mandatory fields in Klaviyo are properly mapped. And click on Save. Before running the full integration, click Save in Make.com and to secure progress. Run the scenario once in a test mode and watch your contacts from ClickUp are processed and sent to Klaviyo as a new profiles. If everything works correctly, you will see a green check indicates success. Each operation corresponds to contact being added to your Klaviyo account. So this is my list, name Enox Lead. So I'm in the Make.com now. I'm just going to run this. So let's click on the run once and see what's happening. It successfully added a profile to the list in Klaviyo. So you can check it out here. So here is the complete bundle. Here you can see all the data that is from ClickUp, and then you can see here, and this is the data has been added to the Klaviyo. So if you go to the Klaviyo, you can go to the Klaviyo and refresh here. You can see this email address. So if you are interested, so as you have seen that you have successfully integrated ClickUp as a CRM with Klaviyo, so allowing you to automatically add contact to a new profile to a list. With this setup, you can now run targeted email campaigns, automate subscribers and updates. If you find this video helpful and if you have any doubt, subscribe for more automation tips and let me know in the comment what integration you want to see next. If you need any help in AI automation, check the link in the description and get your free 30 minutes intro call with me. You can streamline your business with AI and automation. Thank you for watching this video.